Herzlich willkommen hier zu unserem NEFERTITI Cross Visit. Wir sind auf den Flächen des Esterburg Obstbauzentrums in York und Hinrich Holthusen wird uns hier heute Tunnelsprühgeräte für die Applikation von Pflanzenschutzmitteln mit Recycling-System vorstellen.
We here have a big problem with plant protection close to waterways. In our region, waterways are covering the whole area. We have ditches, ponds and so on. And usually in Germany we have to stay away up to 20 meters from this kind of waterways, which is just impossible in our region. So that's why in 2015 the German federal state put in place a new law, the ALVO, the Altes Land Pflanzenschutzverordnung, which allows us now to treat fruit trees close to waterways. However, to fulfill the requirements of the ALVO law, we have to do different concessions. If we produce organic, yes, we have fulfilled all requirements, we haven't to do anything else. If we cannot produce or if we don't want to produce organic, the second thing we can do is the use of recycling sprayers, of tunnel sprayers. We were testing two types of specific sprayers. One is the tunnel sprayer by the company LIPCO and the second is the reflector sprayer by the company WANNER. This is a reflector sprayer. It opens up and we get walls, collecting walls on the outer side of the trees, and the pesticide solution is sprayed to the trees, and all the solution which is not attached to fruit or leaves will be collected by the walls on the other side. The pesticides, they run down the walls and are collected in ditches on the bottom and from there pumped back into the tank. Using this machine we can save in average 15 to 20% of pesticide used, more before blossom, less before harvest. We can apply pesticides not only on one row but on two, which will save time and money. But however, we saw also disadvantages. First hurdle of this machine, it cannot be used if you have hail nets in place. Second, you need very skilled drivers for your tractors using this machine. The machine is much more expensive to compare to regular machine. It costs around 60 to 70,000 euros compared to 25 to 30,000 for a regular axial fan sprayer. In our experiments, both systems worked. The tunnel sprayer as well as the reflector sprayer, and there are around 50 machines already sold in the region and are operating in the orchards. In terms of the biological efficiency, we could see both advantages and disadvantages. Advantage was, of course, it was more efficient in treating apple scab and to some extent also powdery mildew. However, we saw also minor efficiency looking at woolly apple aphid and rosy apple aphid. For more detailed information on our project, visit our website. The link is in the description below.